my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for your English class. So, please take out your English book, that is Hands on English Perfection Toolkit Level 2 Empowering B, Perfection Book 1 of 2. So today we are going to start with Section B or Tier 2. So Section B consists of two units, Unit 3 and Unit 4, nouns and gender respectively. So today we are going to learn about the types of noun. We classify nouns in a four category, that is person, place, animal or thing. Now we are talking about the types of noun, that how we can classify, how we can differentiate between the nouns. There are types of nouns. So today we are going to learn two types of nouns. That is proper noun and the common noun. That is proper noun and the common noun. So please take out your books and get ready with your stationery, everyone. Please take out your books and get ready with your stationery. So please take out page number 22. So what we are going to do in this particular chapter, we are going to introduce the proper noun and the common noun. Proper noun and the common noun. So what are nouns? Can you give me the definition of nouns? Can you give me the definition of noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. When we are talking about any person, place, animal, or thing, we are talking about noun. Okay, so we classify nouns in four categories. That is person, place, animal, or thing. Everything around you is a noun, whether it's a person noun, place noun, animal noun, or a thing noun. Getting this point? Now we are talking about the proper noun and common noun. So, a proper noun is a name used for an individual, person, place, or a thing, spelled with an initial capital letter. When we are talking about individual person, for example, I say boys. Boys means I'm talking about a person now. I'm talking about person now. But when I take the name, for example, Sharav, Sukhpreet, Aditya, all these boys, the name of each and every boy, individual boy, is proper noun. Your name is a proper noun. Your name is a proper noun. Aditya, proper noun. Sharav, proper noun. Sukhpreet, proper noun. Getting this point? So I'm taking different names. Yes or no? Yes. Tanav, proper noun. So boys, proper noun means the name of person. The name of individual person. Boys are person noun bologe. But when you are taking an individual name, when you are taking a particular name of one boy, then you will say proper noun. Okay, girls, Chahat, fine. Then Chahat, Kamaksha, Prashi, all these are name of girls. So when I'm taking your name, I'm calling one particular person proper noun. So this is a proper noun. Individual, person, place, or thing. Individual, person, place, or thing. There are many schools. There are many schools in this particular city. But when we are talking about Vedanta school, we are talking about particular school, the name of particular school, the name of individual school. So school is a place noun, that is a common noun. Common noun क्या हुआ? Place noun, that is schools. But when we are talking about particular thing, particular place means, particular means Vedanta school, proper noun. Schools, common noun. Vedanta school, proper noun. Now I am taking a name. Getting this point? Think. For example, there are many phones, there are many mobiles, fine. But when I'm talking about particular brand of that mobile, for example, if I'll take a name of Samsung, Apple, Vivo, or Oppo, I'm taking a particular name of that particular mobile phone. So, mobile phones, common noun, and the name of that particular brand is proper noun. You eat chocolates. Yes, there are many chocolates in the market. But when you will say, I need 5 star. So 5 star, proper noun. Chocolate, common noun. Because सब सारी चॉकलेट्स हैं. जब कॉमन ग्रुप के बारे में बात होती है, कॉमन कलेक्टिवली बात करते हैं, तो हम चॉकलेट्स कहते हैं. पर जब हम पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ चॉकलेट बोलते हैं, 5 स्टार फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 5 स्टार, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉपर नाउन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉपर थिंग नाउन, proper thing noun, proper person noun, name of a person, for example Aditya, Sharav, all these are proper person noun. Name of a school, Vedanta, proper place noun. When I'm talking about 5 star chocolate, proper thing noun. Common noun is the name of a group of similar things. For example, table, book. If I'm talking about books, बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हैंड्स ऑन इंग्लिश, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉपर नाउन, कि आपने कौन सी बुक एग्जैक्टली कौन सी पर्टिकुलर बुक को पिक करना है, आपने हैंड्स ऑन इंग्लिश को पिक करना है. देयर आर मेनी बुक्स विद यू, yes or no, but we are right now talking about the proper noun, proper thing noun, proper book name, that is hands on English, that is hands on English. Getting this point? So Tom and Nick are brothers. Brothers क्या हुआ? Common noun. Tom और Nick क्या हुआ? Proper noun. And to identify कि हम proper noun को identify कैसे करेंगे? Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Your name starts with a capital letter. Your school name starts with a capital letter. Your parents' name starts with a capital letter. Your book name starts with a capital letter. When we are talking about a proper noun, your name of that particular thing will start with a capital letter. Will start with a capital letter. For example, Tom and Nick. Name of boys: Tom T capital and Nick capital. Cadbury C capital. India I capital. Name of a country: India. Name of a city: Ambala city. A capital. Ambala A capital. Getting this point? So each and everything classifies as a proper noun or a common noun. Common noun when we are talking about collectively, books. But which book? Hands on English. So we are talking about proper noun. और जब हमने बात करी कॉमन नाउन की, कॉमन क्या हुआ? सारी बुक्स है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज अ बुक. You have so many books with you. You can see these are the books. Yes, these are the books. This is common noun. But when we are talking about the proper noun, I will take out hands on English. So this is a common noun. You can see proper noun. You can see H capital E capital. We are talking about proper noun. Getting this point? Yes or no? You have lots of bottles at your place, but the name of a particular bottle, for example, the name of this particular brand is Doubling, D capital. See here, D capital. Getting this point? So whenever we are talking about a proper noun, it will start with capital letter. It will start with capital letter. सो टू आइडेंटिफाई कि प्रॉपर नाउन कौन सा है और कॉमन नाउन कौन सा है, आपने क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कैपिटल लेटर, जो कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा, दैट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. और कॉमन नाउन क्या हुआ? जो पूरे ग्रुप के बारे में बात कर रहा है. There are many classes in this school, but when I'm talking about primer 2, so the name of your class is primer 2, P capital. Getting this point? सबसे पहले नाउन फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउन कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट द नाउन? यू विल फाइंड आउट द नाउन, द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. First of all, find out the person if there is a person in the sentence. Find out the place if there is a place in the sentence. Find out the thing if there is a thing in the sentence. Find out the animal or birds in the sentence. Now, after finding out the noun, you are going to check कि कॉमन नाउन कौन सा है और प्रॉपर नाउन कौन सा है. To find out what are the steps to find out the nouns and how you are going to classify in the types. First of all, read the sentence. For example, Tom and Nick are brothers. Fine. Now you are going to find out the nouns. Just nouns. Nouns are the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So Tom and Nick. Tom and Nick, they are person noun. Brothers, person noun. या पता चल गया ये person noun है. Now we are going to classify them in a proper noun or a common noun. So what is a proper noun? When it will start with a capital letter and when we are talking about the individual person. So Tom and Nick, capital letter, they are the name of a person. So Tom and Nick, proper noun हो गया. Brothers क्या हो गया? Common noun हो गया. So how you are going to do that? Read the sentence first. Then find out the nouns, just nouns, whether it is a person noun, place noun, animal noun, or a thing noun. Then classify them in a proper noun or common noun. To check whether it's a proper noun or a common noun, proper noun will start with a capital letter. It will spelled with a capital letter. The initial letter will be capital. The starting letter will be capital. Getting this point? See here, everyone. So nouns, a name is a person, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. See here, when we are talking about Mrs. Johns, so Mrs. M capital and J, so this is a proper noun. Okay, see here, proper noun, people's name, countries, cities, towns, events, titles, special places. Harry Potter, name of a character, name of a person, in that particular character. Okay. Australia, name of a country, A capital. Christmas, name of a festival, particular festival. The Diwali will be capital. I Eid will be capital. Okay. Guru Purnima, G will be capital because we are talking about the particular events. Okay. Australia, A capital, name of a country. I India, name of a country, I capital. Then common noun, a general word for a person, place, animal or thing or an idea. Person, idea, place, thing. Phones, books, pencil. But when we are talking about proper pencil, here I have Dom's pencil. D capital. Okay, so you're going to learn about all these things in this particular chapter. So you're going to learn the definition of proper noun given on page number 22. You're going to learn the definition of common noun given on the page number 22. So you're going to learn the definition of proper noun and common noun. Okay. So what you're going to do now, you're going to do one activity related to your proper noun and common noun. What you're going to do, you're going to make this particular chart in your notebook. In your English notebook, you're going to make this particular chart. Okay, and you are going to write person, and you're going to write the name of a one proper noun, person, proper noun, and the common. For example, I'm telling you, for example, Rahul. Okay, the name of a person is Rahul, and the common noun means boy. You can write boy or brother. Okay, so thing noun. Similarly, you're going to name the particular proper noun for the thing noun, and then in which category. For example, thing noun, chocolate. I'm talking about book. I'm talking about pencil. I'm talking about pen. So name of a pen. For example, Parker. Okay, so common noun of that particular Parker pen is pen. Fine. Animal. So animal. For example, dog. The name of particular dog is Tommy. Getting this point? Bird. I'm talking about any particular type of a bird, and you can give that name to that particular bird. Getting this point? Place. For example, I'm talking about school. Okay, the name of the school is Vedanta. Getting this point? So that will be in your proper noun. Don't write same examples. Don't write same examples I'm telling you in this video. You're going to write your own examples. Getting this point? This is your activity. You're going to do this activity in your notebook, and you're going to send me the pic of the activity. Getting this point? And it is compulsory. Okay, it is pretty much compulsory that you're going to do this activity. Now take out the page number 23. On page number 23, you can see proper noun and common noun. Okay, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a proper noun, but common noun is place. It is a place. Okay, and we are talking about Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is a proper noun. Mahatma Gandhi, person noun, common noun. You can say male. Okay, or you can say gen. You can say so person noun, fine. So Mahatma Gandhi, name of a person, name of a particular person, Mahatma Gandhi. Then Walt Disney, name of a brand. Getting this point? You see cartoons, you love Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. So all these characters are in Walt Disney. Then Mount Everest. Name of a mountain, Mount Everest. We are talking about particular name of a mountain. So we are talking about Mount Everest proper noun. Lotus Temple, place. So lotus, L capital T capital, lotus temple capital, and the proper noun. Mother Teresa, name of a person again, particular person we are talking about, that is Mother Teresa. So you can see all the proper nouns are starting with capital letter. All the proper nouns are starting with capital letter. Then we have a common noun. Common noun means train. We are not giving any name to the train. Cobbler, we are not giving any name to the cobbler. Toy, we are not giving any name to the toy. Luggage, we are not giving any name to the luggage. Girl, any girl. Elephant, any elephant. So all these common nouns are starting with small letter. Getting this point? So you're going to learn the definition. You're going to read page number 23 and you're going to do your activity. Now please take out your diaries, everyone, and write your date in date column, and in English read and learn the definitions. Read page number 23 and do activity. So you're going to do this activity, you're going to learn the definitions. In next class we are going to learn more about common noun and proper noun. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.